welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tavy, Polished Beauty. So you guys, today I'm going to film a part 2. I'm going to do another look with the Nomad Berlin Underground palette. A lot of people have been intimidated by this palette, and I can understand why. The color story of it can be a little intimidating, but so I figured I was going to do a part 2, just film another look with this. I was supposed to have been filmed this video, but honestly, you guys, I just got so super busy and I was filming. I still have so much other stuff that I want to film that I hadn't made it back around to this palette. But today, we're going to do a part 2 to the Nomad Berlin Underground. And I'm going to try to keep it simple with my colors. The first color I'm going to go into is going to be this East Side Gallery, which is kind of this grayish type color. I swatched it on my hand. This is that color right here. We're going to go into that color. Then we're going to go into this green color, which is NDW, which is this color. Oh, okay. So that's the gray one. That's the green one. That's just some concealer I had on my hand. So you guys know that I like to, when I'm unsure about my look or unsure about the colors, I like to swatch them just to see how they look, to make sure they look like I think they look, because sometimes if you don't, then you'll think a color look one way in the pan, and then when you get on your eyes, it'll look completely different. And I kind of wanted to avoid that today. So I'm going to go into the East Side Gallery first. So you guys, I'm just putting that gray on both sides of my eyes and just blending them out. So I used the same brush that I used to put that gray up there. And I took that same brush and I went into that green shade, and I'm applying that to both sides, and I'm going to blend that green shade out. So I am taking a flat shader brush and spraying that with some Fix Plus, and I'm going into, it's a goldish type shimmery shade, but it's not like a straight gold shimmer shade. So now I took that matte black that's in that palette and went on to the outside of the eye look with it to kind of define the eye. So then I just took the matte brown and went into that shade. It went like right before the black to kind of diffuse the black some so it doesn't look so harsh. I'm back with the final look. Man, like, I think this is super cute. It's definitely a very bold eye look, so I want to tone my lips down. Let me show y'all the lip combination I use for my lips. So I used the L'Oreal Infallible, the chocolate line, and it's the, which one is it? It's the bittersweet chocolate one. And then I went in over it with my Fenty Glow, the original Fenty Gloss Balm. And then I also, and then in the middle, you can kind of see where it's kind of shiny. Sometimes I didn't even show you guys that I had this product, but I used the Melted Glow, the liquefied gold lip gloss from Too Faced. And you can find these at TJ Maxx. When I went to TJ Maxx, they had a ton of these. And I really love it. It just gives you a little extra sparkle. But I just put it right here in the center. I didn't put it all over the lip because, you know, I want it right there, baby. I want it right there, baby. But of course, let me tell y'all, this palette, I already reviewed this palette for you guys. But it's a continued amazing palette. The swatches are amazing. And I love it. It's very pigmented. A very pigmented palette. If you're looking for pigment, this palette definitely has. I definitely think that this is a good color story. I can see why some people would be intimidated by this color story. They don't really know what to do with these eyeshadows. But I'm going to try to use this as much as I can. I know it's been a while since I did my first look. I did my second look because I'm trying to use my palettes in rotation. I don't want to just use the same palette over and over again. I want to get some use out of all of my palettes and out of all my products. But thank you guys for joining me. You're going to see this look again because I'm going to film some more videos with it. But all right, holla.